Welcome back to Power Tools Pro. If you want to work faster, reduce errors, and get cleaner results in your woodworking projects, you're in the right place. Today, we're sharing 20 new woodworking tools that improve efficiency, save time, and make woodworking easier than ever. Stainless steel gauge blocks are essential precision tools for woodworkers seeking exact measurements and accurate setups. Made from hardened stainless steel, they resist wear, corrosion, and temperature changes, ensuring long-lasting reliability. These blocks provide flat, perfectly squared surfaces that allow repeatable measurements for table saws, router tables, and fence alignments. Woodworkers use them to set blade heights, adjust cutting depths, and check the squareness of workpieces. By eliminating guesswork, gauge blocks save time while increasing accuracy and consistency across projects. Whether crafting furniture, cabinetry, or detailed joinery, these blocks ensure professional results and faster workflow, making them indispensable in any workshop focused on precision and efficiency. Cabinet clamps are indispensable for installing cabinets and furniture efficiently and accurately. These clamps hold face frames or cabinet boxes securely while positioning and fastening, ensuring perfect alignment. Built with strong steel construction and padded jaws, they prevent surface damage while providing firm grip. Their adjustable pressure and quick setup allow one-person installation, saving time and reducing frustration during projects. Ideal for kitchen cabinets, bathroom vanities, and built-in furniture, these clamps maintain level alignment, consistent spacing, and straight joints. Professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike benefit from faster assembly, cleaner results, and improved productivity. Cabinet clamps are a must-have tool for any woodworker who wants precise, professional-looking results with minimal effort. The Grid Router Guide is a versatile system designed to improve accuracy and speed during routing tasks. Its grid layout allows precise, repeatable grooves, dados, and slots, reducing setup time while enhancing consistency. The guide keeps the router steady and controlled, ensuring straight cuts even in complex patterns. Compatible with standard clamps and benches, it can be used in multiple workshop configurations. Woodworkers rely on this tool for shelving, box joints, decorative routing, and fine joinery, as it allows cleaner cuts and reduces mistakes. By streamlining repetitive router operations, the Grid Guide not only saves time but also produces professional quality results, making it an essential accessory for any serious woodworking shop. The Pen Trimmer and Reamer Set is a must-have for pen makers and wood turners who require precise alignment for brass tubes in pen blanks. This set trims pen blanks flush to the tube, ensuring perfect symmetry before turning. The reamer smooths and adjusts the interior diameter of the tube for accurate hardware fitting. Constructed from hardened steel, it delivers clean, consistent cuts without damaging wood surfaces. Using this set reduces wasted materials, improves the final appearance of pens, and speeds up preparation time for multiple projects. Ideal for both beginners and professionals, this tool ensures consistent, high-quality results in pen turning while making the process faster, easier, and more precise. The electric hand planer is a powerful tool for quickly smoothing rough lumber and adjusting thickness for woodworking projects. It removes wood evenly across surfaces, creating flat, professional-quality finishes with minimal effort. Adjustable depth settings allow precise material removal, perfect for doors, tabletops, and edge chamfering. Its compact design provides excellent control, even in tight spaces, reducing mistakes and improving efficiency. Compared to manual planing, it saves significant time and effort while delivering smoother results. Ideal for both workshop and job site use, the electric hand planer is essential for woodworkers who want consistent, clean cuts, faster project completion, and professional-grade surface quality on every piece of wood. The Worx WX108L 20-volt cordless drill driver is built for power, speed, and convenience in woodworking tasks. Its compact and ergonomic design allows access to tight spaces, while the brushless motor delivers reliable torque for drilling and screw driving operations. Variable speed control ensures precise handling for delicate tasks, and the cordless design eliminates cord restrictions, enhancing mobility. Long-lasting battery performance with fast recharge minimizes downtime, making it perfect for extended workshop or job site projects. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, it reduces hand fatigue. Whether assembling furniture, installing cabinets, or completing detailed woodworking tasks, this cordless drill driver improves efficiency, saves time, and provides professional results in every project. Trigger clamps are designed for quick, one-handed clamping in woodworking projects, providing strong, adjustable pressure instantly. Their durable steel construction and padded jaws ensure a secure grip without damaging wood surfaces. Perfect for glue-ups, temporary holding, and assembly work, trigger clamps allow precise positioning of boards while freeing the other hand for drilling or sanding. Quick-release mechanisms make setup and adjustment effortless, significantly speeding up the workflow. Lightweight and portable, they can be used for both small and large projects, making them versatile tools in any workshop. For woodworkers aiming to save time and maintain high-quality results, trigger clamps provide convenience, reliability, and efficiency in one simple tool. A corner clamp is an essential tool for woodworking projects that require accurate 90-degree angles, such as frames, boxes, and cabinets. It securely holds two pieces of material in place, allowing precise fastening without shifting. Adjustable jaws accommodate various material thicknesses, ensuring versatility across different projects. Strong construction guarantees consistent clamping pressure, which maintains alignment throughout assembly. Woodworkers rely on corner clamps for picture frames, drawers, cabinet boxes, and other right-angle constructions. By reducing errors and saving time, this tool allows even solo woodworkers to achieve professional results. A reliable corner clamp streamlines the workflow, improves accuracy, and ensures every joint is square, making it a must-have in any workshop. The jigsaw is a versatile power tool used for cutting curves, intricate shapes, and straight lines in wood. Its compact design offers excellent control and visibility, making it ideal for detailed woodworking tasks. Variable speed settings allow the operator to match blade speed to material type, ensuring clean and precise cuts. Perfect for furniture making, decorative panels, DIY projects, and custom designs, a jigsaw expands creative possibilities in the workshop. Its ergonomic handle reduces hand fatigue, allowing prolonged use. With the right blade, the jigsaw can cut through plywood, hardwood, softwood, and even laminate surfaces efficiently. Woodworkers use it to combine speed, accuracy, and flexibility in their projects. The double flute straight router bit is designed for precise, clean cuts in woodworking projects. Its two-flute design allows smooth material removal while minimizing tear-out and reducing vibration during cutting. Ideal for creating dados, grooves, mortises, and edge trimming, it provides professional quality results. Constructed from durable carbide, the bit maintains sharpness even after extended use, ensuring consistent performance. Woodworkers rely on straight router bits to achieve accurate joinery and clean, straight edges. By improving efficiency and reducing sanding or finishing work, this tool saves time and enhances the overall quality of furniture, cabinetry, and decorative woodworking projects. A must-have for any professional or serious DIY woodworker. The Digital Angle Finder is a precise measuring tool that simplifies angle layout for woodworking and construction tasks. Its easy-to-read digital display ensures accurate measurement for bevels, miter cuts, and angle joints. The magnetic base allows secure attachment to metal surfaces, providing hands-free operation. Rechargeable power supply ensures long-lasting usage without constant battery replacement. Ideal for table saws, miter saws, and router setups, this tool improves efficiency, reduces mistakes, and ensures perfect alignment every time. Woodworkers can achieve tighter joints and consistent angles with minimal effort. Compact and durable, a digital angle finder saves setup time, enhances project quality, and is an essential addition to any modern workshop. A pocket hole jig is an essential tool for creating strong, hidden joints quickly and efficiently. It guides the drill bit at the perfect angle to create clean pocket holes for screws, eliminating guesswork and ensuring consistency. This jig is ideal for furniture, cabinetry, and frame assembly, providing precise results without complex measurements. Adjustable settings accommodate different material thicknesses, allowing flexibility across projects. Using a pocket hole jig speeds up assembly, reduces mistakes, and improves joint strength. Both beginners and professionals benefit from faster, more accurate construction. With this tool, woodworkers can achieve projects with sturdy, reliable joints that maintain a clean, professional appearance. Leather edge burnishing bits are specialized rotary tool attachments designed for finishing and smoothing edges. While primarily used in leather crafting, they are also handy in woodworking workshops for polishing wood handles, inlays, and mixed material projects. The bits rotate smoothly, producing consistent, rounded edges quickly without manual sanding. Durable construction ensures long-lasting performance and precise results on repeated use. By using these bits, woodworkers save time on detailed finishing work and improve the overall quality of small projects. Ideal for tool handles, custom boxes, or decorative accents, leather edge burnishing bits make finishing fast, efficient, and professional looking, adding refinement to both woodworking and craft applications. A wood furniture repair kit provides all the tools and materials needed to restore scratches, cracks, and minor damage to wood surfaces. It usually includes fillers, markers, and touch-up tools to match common wood tones and finishes. Perfect for repairing tables, chairs, cabinets, and decorative pieces, this kit saves time by avoiding full refinishing. Professionals and DIY enthusiasts use it to maintain furniture quality, extend lifespan, and achieve consistent appearance across projects. The kit is easy to use, portable, and ideal for quick touch-ups. By combining convenience, efficiency, and quality, a furniture repair kit is an essential tool for anyone who wants to keep their woodworking creations looking professional and polished. Sanding blocks are fundamental hand tools for creating smooth, even surfaces on wood. They hold sandpaper securely and provide uniform pressure, reducing uneven spots and hand fatigue. Ideal for finishing, edge smoothing, and surface preparation, sanding blocks give woodworkers precise control compared to loose sandpaper. Available in different shapes and sizes, they can adapt to flat surfaces, curves, and tight corners. Reusable and durable, sanding blocks save time and improve efficiency in workshops. Whether preparing wood for finishing, leveling surfaces, or blending joints, sanding blocks deliver professional quality results. Every woodworker benefits from keeping multiple sanding blocks on hand for consistent, reliable, fast finishing performance. A mini chainsaw is a compact, lightweight tool designed for quick cutting tasks in woodworking and outdoor projects. It is ideal for trimming branches, cutting small logs, and shaping rough lumber before detailed work. Battery-powered or corded, the mini chainsaw provides portability, precision, and reduced fatigue compared to full-sized chainsaws. Its ergonomic design ensures better control and safety during cutting operations. Woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts use it for prep work, clearing stock, or job site trimming. While small, it delivers efficient cutting power for light to medium tasks. This tool saves time, reduces effort, and is perfect for workshops that require mobility and convenience without sacrificing performance. An electric air duster is a reusable, powerful cleaning tool for workshops and workbenches. It uses high-speed airflow to remove sawdust, debris, and dirt from tools, machines, and tight spaces quickly. Unlike canned air, it provides cost-effective, eco-friendly, and consistent performance. Woodworkers rely on electric dusters to maintain clean equipment, improve machine lifespan, and keep work areas safe and efficient. Its compact design makes it easy to handle, store, and operate. By saving time on cleaning and preventing dust accumulation, this tool improves overall workflow and accuracy. Every workshop benefits from an electric air duster for a clean, organized, and productive workspace. The Worx Pegasus 2-in-1 folding work table serves as both a portable workbench and a sawhorse, providing a stable surface for cutting, sanding, and assembly. Its lightweight yet durable construction supports heavy loads while remaining easy to transport. The foldable design allows quick setup and convenient storage, making it ideal for small workshops or job sites. Built-in clamps hold materials securely during work, reducing errors and improving precision. Woodworkers use it for everything from furniture assembly to cutting sheet goods, as it combines portability with functionality. With the Worx Pegasus, projects are faster, safer, and more efficient, making it a versatile and essential tool in any modern woodworking environment. A mini circular saw is designed for precision, compact cutting tasks in woodworking. Its small size allows excellent control and visibility, making it perfect for trimming plywood, panels, and other sheet goods. Adjustable cutting depth provides versatility for different materials, while the ergonomic handle reduces fatigue during extended use. Lightweight and portable, it is ideal for workshops with limited space or for on-site projects. Woodworkers rely on mini circular saws for fast, accurate cuts where larger saws are impractical. By combining precision, speed, and ease of use, this tool enhances productivity, improves workflow, and ensures clean, professional results in every cutting project. Thanks for watching Power Tools Pro. If these woodworking tools helped you work smarter, faster, and achieve professional results, smash that like button and subscribe for more expert reviews, tips, and hacks. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and tell us in the comments which tool you're most excited to try first.